Okay, hello everyone. This is a different kind of a video. Hello. Okay. Just a thought. Hello. This is the beginning of a revolution. A new album of mine for GreenecoStyle called, I think I'm gonna call it Ray's Rants, because this is it's been a thought. It's more than a thought though. Like, it's been a concern of mine. Actually, yes, it has. It's been a concern of mine for quite some time now. And that concern is straws. Wait, I should say hello first. Hi everyone.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, hello. Welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel, where we help people live a sustainable lifestyle. So today, I am in a hammock. It's a little more chill of a video, but like, it's okay. I have a thought, kind of a concern and argument for a while now, and I think it's about time that I put this on my channel because it is important to me, and I think it should be important to the whole world. I need to promote this. Please share, subscribe, like this video, and yes, because this is an important one. I can't emphasize this enough, okay? So, we are going to talk about, well, I'm going to talk about straws. Okay? So, why do we have straws? Like, who invented the straw? Okay? I think it's the worst decision, the worst invention of all time. Like, who even... Anyways, the biggest concern right now is not even the background of the straw and the whole family of straws and bendy straws and whatever, you know, you wanna talk about it. But people have thought that it is more environmentally friendly to make paper straws opposed to plastic straws. And I think that that is just one of the worst ideas ever, because not only are we now cutting down more trees to make these paper straws, and like, I get it, like, okay, they're biodegradable because they're paper and they're not plastic, but now everybody, like, I work at Starbucks and everybody's asking for like 2 straws now for 1 drink because it gets all soggy by like halfway through the drink. And then, yeah, so that's why they asked for 2 straws. So now you're wasting even more straws, and you're throwing out more straws into our landfills because they suck. Like, who thought that paper straws were a good idea? I think it's just terrible. Okay, I'm gonna put up some pop-ups here because you can tell me why. It's like, oh yeah, people are like, oh yeah, really? Well, we still need straws for, like, you know, like smoothies or whatever, like thick drinks. Like, we need straws still for slushies or something. Frappuccinos. Well, I will say you are wrong at that point. You know what? If you want a straw so badly, buy a reusable straw and keep that handy with you. That's all I say. But I feel like all fast food places should stop selling straws, because you know what? We make lids. Like Starbucks, and like anytime there's a hot drink, it comes, you know, the lid on top, you have a little flap lid kind of thing, and then you sip it from there. You don't use a straw for a hot drink, so why don't we just use it for all drinks, right? So like hot drinks, medium heat, whatever, cold drinks, right? There are lids specifically used for you on how to drink the certain drink that you just ordered, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do some pop-ups here because like this lid right here is like is like all the lids that we use for refreshers at Starbucks. And it's like the same lid for like any hot drink, really. Well, okay, well, here's hot drink lid. Okay, same thing, right? Same idea. It just has a little hole there and you can sip it. You don't need a straw, okay? And look at this one, ba-bam! Nitro lid. Okay, so it's like bigger, so that you can like slurp up the sweet cold foam, the vanilla sweet cream cold foam. So like same thing if it's a slushy or like a frappuccino, you can just have a bigger opening and you can still drink it. You don't need a straw. You don't need straws. Okay, paper straws aren't helping. They're causing more of a problem because we're wasting more straws. People are asking for 2 straws for 1 drink because they don't last in your drinks, right? Now, and people are asking like, "Oh, do you have a plastic straw?" I was like, well, if you really want a plastic straw, buy a reusable plastic straw. We have them. We have them. Starbucks sells them, and a lot of other places you can buy a reusable straw, put in your bag. That's it. Okay, and I understand. Okay, for frappuccinos, for example, yes, I'm talking about Starbucks, and I'm giving you all these pictures of the lids because I work there. So this has just been like bothering me lately. Okay, so I get it. For the frappuccinos, you have the dome lid, right? Because you use um whipped cream on the top, right? Okay, I get it. That one is the only drink that's like, okay, yeah, I need a straw. Well, then you know what? If you're ordering a frappuccino, bring your own straw or a spoon. Like, I don't know, you can have like, right? Ugh. Ah! Oh, sheesh. Like, it's just, who invented straws? We never needed them. There's lids that you can drink your drinks. Cold, hot, lukewarm, whatever, right? Just pick your lid. Um, yeah, for the frappuccinos with the whipped cream on top, I get it, that's fancy. But there are reusable straws out there, okay? I think everybody, all fast food places, and every company or food place should just stop selling disposable straws, okay? Paper straws aren't helping. Plastic straws finally got rid of. Thank you, that's awesome. But now they're replaced with paper straws, which is the worst idea. It's not. Talk about this forever. It's just bothering me. But I think I've said all that I needed to say. So if you please just share this video to everybody and all the companies out there, and like, maybe I'll tag them and then be like, yo, watch this video because paper straws are not helping. You think that oh, look at me, I'm environmentally friendly, I'm trendy because we're using paper straws for these fast food places. No, stop it now. Stop it. Because you're cutting down more trees that way, and now you're doing double the waste. Because everybody's like, oh, can I have 2 straws? Do you see what I'm saying? Do you see? So even, oh my goodness. So even, like, people have asked for a straw, even if they get, like, refreshers or something, like with the lid, and it has the little opening at the top, right? They'll still ask for a straw. I don't get it. Like, you don't... See, just get rid of the option. If the option wasn't there, then people would have to, if they really want a straw, people would have to buy a reusable straw, right? If you really want one. Like, but you really don't. Really. Like, we don't. We don't need straws. I don't know why we've had them for so long. They're just ruining our earth. Anyways, so there's that video. This is my first rant. Ray's rants. Stay tuned for more about environmentally friendly topics and sustainable lifestyle videos. Hopefully that has inspired you to stop getting reusable straws and just either buy your own reusable straw if you really want a straw, or realize that you don't need a straw for anything. Really. Yeah, okay, I have said my piece. I'm going to shut down now. I'm going to slow down the video. Thank you for watching, everybody. Look at me. This is a very new, this is my sit-in hammock. It's very chill. I know this was kind of a heated video, but I am chill. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a gravy day. Please stay hydrated, but not with a straw. You don't need them. but stay hydrated. Y'all need to drink more water. Please and thank you. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and other sustainable lifestyle videos. And yeah, like this video if you feel inclined and you are inspired, and share with your friends and family if you feel that someone needs to hear this video. Then let them hear it. I am really excited if you would do that. Comment your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think, what your opinion is on straws and paper straws and plastic straws, and if you think that paper straws is a good idea or a bad idea, or if we even need them. I feel like there was just a whole slew. There was just a never a need for straws, but that's just me. Yeah, okay, I'm going to stop talking now. And yes, like I said, have a great day. And stay hydrated. Hi everyone. Welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel, where we help people shop and live a sustainable lifestyle. Or where we help people live a sustainable lifestyle, period. Okay, hello. Welcome back to the GreenecoStyle YouTube channel, where we help people shop. Okay, hello.